Miss, I'm going to get your ankles and your feet adjusted now. Just want you to hold on to the side of the table with both hands. Relax your ankle. Relax that ankle. All set.